My name is Chef Fran, and today we're making something special. We're making the secret menu Waffle House sandwich that's gone viral on TikTok and that they don't want to make anymore for you. So you can make it now yourself. I'm going to show you how. And so we have to start off by making our waffles first. And so I'm going to kind of show you a quick way how to make a waffle using your blender or your NutriBullet, whatever you have, so your arms don't hurt from all that beating. And we're going to just kind of dump everything together as opposed to separate dry from wet. Okay, so we're going to start off with I like to use cane sugar, but you can use whatever sugar you have at home. I always say use what you have. Vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, some whole milk, some baking powder, some all-purpose flour, and cream cheese, and some butter and some eggs to make our waffles. And then inside what they have is shredded potatoes, hash browns, which I've already kind of taken care of for us, some sausage, and some bacon. Now you can use turkey bacon if that's what you prefer. I'm using the thick cut regular bacon. Of course, salt and pepper for your eggs when you make it, and I like to put a little paprika, smoked paprika in mine. Alright, so we're going to get started. I put all the ingredients in here to make our waffle maker. This happens to just give it a very smooth, clean way of doing your waffles without the stress of beating on your hands. So I put our batter in our dispenser. I don't want to put too much because my husband told me that their batter is a little thinner. Well, rather their waffle is a little thinner, so I don't want to put too much and then it overflows. So I'm obviously letting it try to cook up a little bit here. I think I can put the lid down now. Put it down and lock it up. And then turn it over. I don't know why it makes that noise, guys. This one here. Do the same. Bring this one down. And to lock it up. And I'm going to flip it. I like it when it's a little bit, not undercooked, but when it's a little bit softer. I don't like when it's firmer and harder. So I'm going to try to put it out when it's a little softer. So here's our waffles for our sandwich. We're going to set up our sandwich. Here's our sausage. Sausage here. And then we have our eggs. Our lovely eggs. With cheese. Our lovely eggs with cheese. Sorry. We have our hash browns. Okay, put our hash. Put a little cheese on our hash and warm it up so our sandwich can stay together. Okay, now we put on our bacon. And there we go. This is our sandwich. This is a secret sandwich. But of course, you got to put on the syrup. In this case, I'm going to use my chalk zero syrup. So I'm putting my chalk zero. So this is my sugar-free. And it has no aftertaste. So here we go. On my waffles. And so when Waffle House doesn't want to share or let you purchase their secret menu of that sandwich that has everything on it, you can go home and make yourself a great copycat. So don't give up. Save yourself the money and the headache and the aggravation of them not wanting to do it, and just go home and do it yourself. To make our waffles for our Waffle House secret menu sandwich, we have all-purpose flour, folic acid, iron, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, baking powder, calcium, iron, potassium, cane sugar, A, B1, B2, B6, C, niacin, pantothenic acid, milk, B2, B12, D, calcium, phosphorus, and potassium, butter, A, B12, D, E, and K2, vanilla extract, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, eggs, A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron. Now, to put inside our eggs, we're going to have some cheddar cheese, which is vitamin D and calcium, some Himalayan salt, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, black pepper, A, B1, B2, B5, B6, C, E, and K. I smoked paprika, A, calcium, folate, potassium, and phosphorus. And we will have some pepper jack cheese, which has some A, B12, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. And then, of course, we have our bacon. And our bacon has vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, selenium, and zinc. Our sausage, B1, B2, B6, C, folate, niacin, potassium. The shredded potatoes, B1, B3, B6, C, folate, magnesium, potassium. And maple syrup, B2, B5, B6, calcium, iron, magnesium, niacin, potassium, riboflavin, and zinc. Real facts. According to the World Bank, food prices won't go down until next year, in 2024. This means it might get worse this year still. To learn more, you can visit us at jdhcdc.org. Well, guys, I did it. I did the waffles a little thinner than usual, since my husband said this is how they eat theirs, the Waffle House, their secret menu, although they don't want to do it for people anymore. We have the sausage, we have the eggs with cheese, we have the hash brown with some cheese, we have some bacon, and we have the waffles, and we have some chalk zero syrup on it. So, let me tell you something. Save yourself the money and the aggravation. Do this at home. You're going to have the best replica. You're going to season your eggs the way exactly how you want them. You're going to cook your waffles exactly how you want them, hard or soft. It's the best. And I'm sure you'll save a few dollars. So here's my call to action. I'm going to eat while I say that. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying the content I'm putting out for you. And if you're new to this channel, I want to say welcome, where I welcome you here with open arms and great big hug. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and share the channel with your family and friends. They'll appreciate it. And I want to tell you to also hit the bell notification so you'll know every time I upload a new video. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. Because you ate with me virtually while I ate physically. And next time, you keep yourself physically too if you do this. Let me know what you did, if it was the same exact way, a different way. I want to hear from you. This is what I call the kitchen sink. This is a great brunch. It's a huge big breakfast that would have to be split into, for me, 3 ways at least. 3 to 4. Take a quarter per day. Thank you again for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Come back and hang out with me again the next time I upload a video. And you can make this secret menu Waffle House sandwich too. Love you guys. Bye.